Hey guys, welcome back to another video on I can't call it channel name, but make sure you subscribe to HMJK, whatever, I don't know. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. So, hi guys, welcome back to another video. So there ain't nothing going on right now, but this is more about what's gonna happen here, because we're talking about snow. Hello guys, it's November 8th. Here is the forecast for this coming weekend. So, like I said, we're supposed to get some snow this weekend. So, right, it's in the 60s right now. So, there's that potential here. You can see there's a storms. There's a potential for a couple nor'easters, but some lake effect snow is gonna take shape. Little clipper, but this boy, it ain't that big. But if you look at the CMC model, oh yeah, yeah. That looks good. Yeah, that looks to be a good snow. Could have some good snow with this. Potentially some good. It's staying snow, so there could be some good snow with this. I don't know. Yeah, there's definitely some good snow with this one. You can see even the lakes are gonna get slammered. Oh yeah, buddy. That's the jackpot right there. 9 inches, 16. Yeah, right here. That. This is looking good. Potential snowstorm 1D 18th. Yep, sir. Look at that. That looks like jackpot. Let's check out the GFS in comparison to this model here.
Keep it down a little bit, please.
Oh yeah, a little bit different, but more. This is not. Look at that, man. But look at the teams. Look at that. Look at that. Look how different it looks. That looks even. That looks more. So you can see. Get you in a minute. Look at that snowfall. That is definitely the jackpot right here. Right there, Slit in Fayette County. Phew, buddy. That's the jackpot right there, man. That's crazy. Here is that potential. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Here we go. I haven't talked about snow in like years. Yeah, I know. It's back, and it's wintertime again. Look at it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there's potential for some severe storms here. But something else is telling me. Let's check this out real quick.
South over the next couple of days.
Oh, yeah.
This is the front where the wake. This is the jet stream in the front towards Shreveport. This is woke up. But higher to
Oh boy. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, mild or weak. Oh boy, here it comes. Here comes the snow. There's that potential for the Bismarck here. Big snowstorm out here. Potentially big one here. You see in Duluth at 7 p.m. Yeah, buddy, this brings back memories. Here we go. Lake effect snow. Friday night into Saturday. Oh boy. Some people could see the first snowflakes of the season here in PA. Watch out, everybody. This is definitely snow galore. Look at this. Poor visibility. Slippery travel. Yeah, let's go check out the satellite. Let's go to the National Weather Service and check out the satellite. picture because I might take a picture of the satellite for the channel. I don't want my face on there. I'm doing weather, so yeah. Alright, a minute. Let's go to the satellite. I got 7,000 followers on Instagram. Yeah, I'm more. I know. We're going to satellite. Yeah, we're going to satellite. We're not going to snow cover. I'll see that this weekend. I'm going to check out my snow forecast in my region because there's going to be some snow in this part of the country. This is where a big storm is. Right out here. This is where the monster is. Ooh, yeah. Look at my darling. Ooh, yeah, look at that monster. That's a big storm. It's hitting California. It's going to produce snow. Look at this. An active pattern. Again, a parade of storms. A bomb cyclone kind of storms are popping up again. Look at the satellite. Excuse me. Look at that. That's awesome, y'all. That is so awesome. Look at the moisture on this thing. Oh, yeah. That's the moisture content. Oh, yeah. Monster storm here, buddy. That right there is what's going to bring us snow over the weekend. That's the storm. Okay? That is this is. So we are going to talk about this. There are going to be some gusty winds with this storm. Max 70 miles an hour. Look at this. And we get a storm track into mid-November. Guess what this means? Big snowstorms. Big snowstorms. This is something to be keeping an eye on. So you got the warm air over here, seasonable weather over here in the west. But right in this part of the country, and the storm track's going to go here, guess what it's going to do? We're going to see snowstorms. And guess what's going to happen? Here we go. It says, we'll bring straight behind the storm, rain, snow, and guess what, buddy? It says, looking up the hall later, hostile winter might be want to consider doing it no matter what over the next few days. Before the winter invasion of winter begins. Woohoo! Yeah, winter is coming. And look at that. It says, cold will continue to advance to the east coast and have a potential for never yet storm along the coast, which could bring some of the first snow this season to the portions of the northeast in the middle of May. Matures at the end of the week or following week. And guess what, buddy? I live in an area I could get some snow. Let's look at my forecast. Look at this. Boom. Look at that. Look at this. Snow to rain. Snow. Yeah. You got that right. Look at this. We got potential for some rain, snow showers. See? Snow. 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 Snow, snow, snow. You got that right. Let's bring in snow. Up at Pittsburgh, it's not going to snow. Let's see the forecast for you, little Pittsburgh. And... no snow, but guess what? Guess who's going to get snow? We are. Most likely. So this pattern that we could see could set us up for, oh. Ow. Ow. Oh. Look at this. We had a cool down a couple of days ago. But this one right here is not gonna, it's gonna be worse. This cool down is going to be a lot worse. Let's see on the 11th. Hey. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be nice on the 11th, on the field trip. It's gonna be really, on the parade. It's gonna be really nice. I won't be posting that day. I will be. But but this right here is what I'm talking Arctic air. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Jackpot right here. 10 degrees. 11 degrees. 9 degrees. 12. Ooh. And look at the 18th. Ow. Ow, 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 y'all. Look. 16. 18. And just, look at this. And look at this too. Snow. 9, 6, 10, 16. Look at the lakes. Oh my God. Yeah, that's the corners. Look at the northeast. Oh, look at this. Look at all the snow. Look at that pattern. See that? That's a big dip in the jet stream. Look how cold it is. Let's check out the two temperature. Shaded. Look how cold it's going to be. Oh my god. We're going to have one warm up in between, but look at this. One Arctic blast and another Arctic blast right behind it. Boy, we're in a pattern that could be Snowtown, baby. Snowtown. This is for you, Ryan, all y'all. Look at this. Severe weather right in the middle of the United States. One cool below average in the east and below average in the west. And potentially snow in New Mexico. 34, 43, 36. Yeah. This is looking a lot more like winter than fall, y'all. If you see this forecast, better think twice. Better think twice about it. Just got done drinking a whole thing Coke. Yeah. See that? That's Coke. This right here is what you call Arctic air. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, my. Yeah, you got that right. Oh, this, people, is what we need to see here in November. Let's go out west and look at it. Look at the temperatures out this way. Look at this. -10 in Alberta. Look at these temperatures, y'all. And then if you go to the east, look at this. Cold too. And then look right. Oh, wait, in a minute. Let's go back out to the west. Because I know people really didn't see it. Look at that. Just look at this. Oh, my God. Here goes the northeast. Oh, yeah. But it's more bad out there. But look at this. Yeah. Then, and look right in the middle of the country. 60s. Come on now. Cold here. A little bit warmer here. And cold here. Like, what in the world? Like, we got a cold over here versus snow. Another cold over here versus snow. And right between it, rain, severe weather. Like, what? What? That's what I'm saying. And this is what it looks like. Cold, you see it? Cold in the northeast. Warm in Texas. And really cold air right here. I bet this cold air is gonna combine with that cold. Boom, we got an Arctic blast. This could mean that a colder pattern is stored for late November. And it starts this weekend. So get ready for winter, because it's here. Put your Christmas lights up before this weekend. Put them up. This is going to be hecka cold. The Arctic air has begun. The polar vortex is on its way. And it could be very cold weather. I think this winter is going to be very cold. I mean, extremely cold. Because right now, it's looking really cold. It's looking cold. It gives me reminds of, ooh, yeah. Is that warm peppermint mochas?